Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to block someone on Snapchat, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to block someone in Snapchat, it's actually pretty easy. So to do that, first, I want you to make sure that you are on the chat section of Snapchat. Once you're on your chat section, next, I want you to tap on the three dots on the top right corner. And then tap Manage Friendships. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see all your friends on Snapchat right here, so just find the one that you want to block. So let's say that this is the one that you want to block for example, so to do it, just tap their profile. And then tap the three dots on the top right corner. And then tap Manage Friendships. And after that, you will now be able to see the block option right here, just go and tap it. And then Snapchat will ask you for confirmation if you really want to block the account. If you're already sure that you want to block them, then just tap block to completely block the account. And after that, it's done. Congratulations. The account will now be blocked, so they will now be removed to your friend list and won't be able to send a message to you anymore unless you unblock them. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.